Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed various concept of acids and bases, and today we are going to study types of acids. So, let's understand the types of acid step by step. Types of acids. My dear student, acids are classified into types depending on the number of hydrogen ion, mean H+. They can donate per molecule when dissolved in water. The hydrogen ion, mean H+, released by an acid is also called a proton. So acids can be classified as monoprotic and polyprotic acids. So let's explain monoprotic and polyprotic acids. The first one is monoprotic acids. Definition: a monoprotic acid is an acid that can donate only one proton, mean H plus ion, per molecule and in aqueous solution. This means each molecule of the acid gives one H plus ion upon ionization. Example: hydrochloric acid, mean HCl give H plus ion plus Cl negative ion. Nitric acid, HNO3 give H plus ion plus NO3 negative ion. Acetic acid, mean C3 suitable OH give H plus ion plus C3 suitable O negative ion. Mean all these give only one proton per molecule after ionization. Explanation: each of these acids has one ionizable hydrogen atom, therefore they are monoprotic, meaning they release only one proton per molecule when dissolved in water. Also note that, my dear student, all monobasic acids are monoprotic, but the term protic emphasizes the number of protons released rather than viscosity. Now, second types, polyprotic acids. Definition: a polyprotic acid is an acid that can donate more than one proton, mean H plus ion, per molecule and in aqueous solution. These acids have two or more ionizable hydrogen atoms. Reduced in polyprotic acids are further divided into diprotic acid, mean release 2 H plus ions. Triprotic acids release 3 H plus ions. Tetraprotic acids mean release 4 H plus ions. Rare. Now, first one, diprotic acids. Examples: sulfuric acid H2SO4 give 2 H plus ion plus SO4 2 negative ion. Carbonic acid H2CO3 give 2 H plus ion plus CO3 2 negative ions. Explanation: each molecule of these acids donates two protons one after another and steps. For example, H2SO4 give H plus ion plus HSO4 negative. HSO4 negative further give H plus ion plus SO4 2 negative. So overall, two H plus ions are released from one molecules. Second one, triprotic acids. Example: phosphoric acid, mean H3PO4 give 3H plus ions plus PO4 3 negative ion. Boric acid H3BO3 give 3H plus ion plus BO3 3 negative ion. Explanation: each molecule of a triprotic acid can release 3 protons stepwise. For example, H3PO4 give H plus ion plus H2PO4 negative ion. H2PO4 negative give further H plus ion plus HPO4 2 negative ion. HPO4 2 negative ion further give H plus ion plus PO4 3 negative. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on types of acids. I hope you are understanding. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.